دستورنا القرآن وديننا الإسلام أركانه الجليلة دعائم الفضيلة وهي الشهادتان كعيدة
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وحج والزكاة.
Our lesson is about today conversation 20. Cashirkeena ku saabsan conversation 20 wada sheekaysiga labaatanaad.
Noble pillars upholding what is virtuous to make the testimony.
Why is it necessary to learn English? Because English is a universal language and it is spoken all over the world. Why is it necessary maxay laga maarmaan u tahay to learn English in Ingiriisiga la barto? Because maxaa yeelay it is a universal language waa luqada caalamiga and it is spoken waxaana laga hadlaa all over the world adduunka oo dhan and it is spoken waxaana laga hadlaa all over the world adduunka oo dhan. Which is better, English and Arabic? Arabic is far better than English. Arabic is a language of holy ground. Which is better keeba wanaagsan English Ingiriisiga and Arabic iyo Carabiga. Arabiga is far better than ka wanaagsan English Ingiriisiga. Arabigu is a language waa luqada of the Holy Quraanka barakaysan. How many languages do you speak? I can speak 3 languages and they are Somali and Arabic correctly. Languages do you speak? Imsa luqadood ku hadashaa? I can speak waxaan ku hadli karaa 3 languages 3 luqadood and they are waxayna kala yihiin Somali, Arabic, English correctly was si sax. This is end of our conversation. So goodbye. Okay, bye. This is end waa dhamaadka of our conversation wada sheekaysigeena. So goodbye. Saada daraadin nabadgelyo. Okay, bye. Haye nabadgelyo. Okay, bye. Haye nabadgelyo.
Somali Online Academy.